Hey guys! Okay guys, so we're back in the kitchen. So yes, how's everybody doing today? Good, because your girl is back with another video. So you guys, I hope you all checked out the meatball sub. Okay, those was made from scratch. And so today your girl is going to go ahead and show you what she created, which really wasn't nothing fancy, but an Italian dish, you guys. So yes, first thing we're going to do is we have some boiling hot water. And so we're going to go ahead and we're going to add our noodles to it, some Italian pasta, you guys. So yeah, that is what we're having today, you guys. So let me get this open. Turn this off just a little. So glad my scissors was in my reach. Okay. So let's get some of this pasta over in this water. We really don't need the whole thing. I always have leftover pasta. I have some garlic bread in the oven. You guys, hold on. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to add my super chunky ragu sauce. You guys, I'm going to add this onto the pan. Okay. And we're going to add our meatballs that I cooked. So if you haven't checked out that video, go over there and check it out. You guys. We're going to go ahead and let that do its thing. We're going to add us some of my special seasoning again. Some Italian seasoning as well. And some parsley. You know how I feel about my parsley, you guys. And we're going to go ahead and we're going to take what's left in our little ragu container. Now at this point, if you have fresh tomatoes, which I do, I just choose not to put that in here. We're going to put that in there. And I'm going to reach over here and get a towel, you guys. And we're going to go ahead and let this simmer so these meatballs can get hot, you guys. No, I'm not going to put a lid on it. So yeah, you guys, keep an eye on those meatballs for me. Okay. Meantime, I'm going to go in here and I'm going to stir this on up. This pasta. I know some people say, oh, they're going to stick. They're not going to stick, you guys. Not going to stick. Because this is a little salted water. And you know, I know some people use olive oil. But I'm not using olive oil. And I'm only making a dish for 3. Okay, so our Italian noodles are ready. We're going to put a little olive oil in here. Yeah, to stop the sticking. We're going to put a little garlic powder to give the noodles some flavor. Gonna put some parsley just to give it a look. to stir this on up to stop it from sticking. So if you're viewing this video, you guys, and you got this far, tell me what is your favorite pasta dish? Look at that. You got. Whew. This is going to be so yummy. I love to make homemade meatballs. It just brings a delight to every meal. So, okay, so guys, look at this. These meatballs, you guys, look at there. You see all the mushrooms and the chunkiness that's going on in the ragu sauce, which save time. It really does. And yeah, the homemade meatballs is so delicious. You guys, don't forget, share this video with everyone. Let them know what your girl is doing on her channel. Now, if you're ready for the take of it, stay tuned. So yes, you guys, we are back, and this is my take on Italian pasta dish. You guys, if you viewed this video and you enjoyed this video, share this video with everyone. Let them know what your girl is doing on her channel. You guys, we got to go in for the taste. Let's see. Your girl got to go in on the taste. So let's see. Look at that deliciousness. Oh. Here's the guy. Oh Lord. Let's take it from here. Let's go ahead and you guys get this bite. Wasn't that delicious? Perfect dish. Share this video with everyone. Let them know what your girl is doing on her channel. And if you're not part of the team, hit that subscribe button and come on over and join the cuz. I would love to meet you. Make sure you leave a comment below so I'll know where to go. But meantime, I want everyone to be safe. Enjoy quality time with your family. And happy holidays from my house to yours.